So now I will explain you case expressions. Now in this case expression, what I want, if suppose here hotel ID 1, for the website ID 1 the price is this, the same hotel ID in another website the price is this. Similarly for hotel ID 2, for hotel ID 3, these are the price lists in many different websites. So instead of hotel ID, I just want to display the name of the hotel. So let's suppose if the hotel ID is 1, I want to display the name as RoeRich Hotel. If the name is 2, I want to display Radisson Hotel. If the name is 3, I want to display Ginger Hotel, and so on. So I have total how many hotels? 5 hotels. So what I will do here, I will write select hotel ID, comma website ID, comma price, and let me execute the command. So you see, this is what I am getting. Now what I will do, I will not touch website ID and price, but what I will write here, I will write case hotel ID, and I will write when 1. Then you see, you do not need to display ID, you need to display say Roy Rich. When 2, and Roy Rich you have to put it in single quotes, and when 2, then you have to display Ginger. Similarly, I will change it to 3, 4 and 5. Here I will call it as Oasis. Then I will take Radisson and I will take Oberoi. So if I execute that particular command now, and here I will write end, and after that if I execute this command, so you see, instead of 1 Roy is displayed, instead of 2 Ginger is displayed, and so on. And you see here what option is appearing, no column name. So I will label this as hotel name. Suppose you are aware with 4 values, and for rest all the values you want to put Oberoi, then what you can do, instead of case when 5 you can put else, and you just remove then also. So if suppose if the value of hotel ID is 1, then RoeRich will appear. If 2 is appear, then Ginger will appear, and so on. And if it does not match with either 1, 2, 3 and 4, then Oberoi will appear in rest of the cases. So you have else portion also. So if you execute this command, so you see here you are getting hotel name. So if you have ID number 5, ID number 6, ID number 7, all will appear as Oberoi. There is another way also you can write, for example, website ID. So here I will write case, and this time I will not put the hotel ID in between. After case I am straight going to when condition, and here I can write the expression also, like website ID is equal to 1. Then I am writing go I go. I just copy this, paste it, and in the last I paste it again, and in the end I am calling else make my, I think there are 4 websites. So I will say make my trip, and if the website ID is 2 and website ID 3, it is not necessary that you have to put equal to, you can give greater than, less than, all these expressions are possible. And condition, like where website ID is 1 or website ID is 3, so these kind of expressions you can also give. So in case website ID is 2 or 3, if you want to give the same name, you can do that also. So all these expressions are possible here. Here I am putting booking.com, and here I am writing Trivago, and then I will write end, This is the end of the case statement, and I label this column as website name. So now if I execute this command, so you see I got the names of the hotels as well. If I write this, I cut this, and here I write over this. So if website ID is either 2 or 3, just display booking.com. So you see now booking.com is appearing for 2 times. So that kind of expressions are also possible. If you write column name after case, then you can give constant values here in the when condition. But if you do not provide column name after case statement, then you have to write the complete expression in the when statement. So here it is not necessary that you have to write website ID equal to this or this. What you can do, you can also do website ID in 2 3. So you can write like this also in the expression. So this also works. So now I again write select star from hotel details, and if I execute this command, you see I again got 1 2 3 4. Now this time I want to actually update the data of this table. If the hotel ID is 1, it should get converted into RoeRich. If the hotel ID is 2, it should get converted into Ginger. So here I am writing update statement. So here I am writing update hotel details set. You see, before changing this hotel ID and website ID, I need to modify the data type of it, because right now the data type of hotel ID and website ID is integer. I have to convert it into varchar. So here I'm writing alter table hotel details alter column, which is hotel ID, and I call it as varchar 40. Alter column, you have to write alter table hotel details alter column hotel ID varchar 40. So now if I execute the command, so data type of hotel ID has been changed. In the same way, what I do, I will change it to website ID and modify it. So now you see both the data types have become varchar type. After this, what I will do, I will write update hotel details set hotel ID is equal to, and after that I will write the case statement. So what I do, I just copy this case statement. So if I execute this statement, so you see it has modified the 20 records. So if I see the output, so you see here these have become RoeRich, then 2 has become Ginger, and 3 has become Oasis. In the same way, if I need to update the website names also, I will write update hotel details set website ID, and what I do, I just copy this command and paste it here, and here I will say website ID equal to 2, then booking.com, and when website ID is 3, then trivago.com, and else MakeMyTrip. So if I execute this command, here let me put case also, and now let me execute the command. So here you see those names are also changed. So if I write select star from hotel details, so you see these names are also changed.